Syncthing honest pricing explained what you get for your money. Syncthing isn't just a file synchronization tool, you won't believe how it combines privacy, speed, and cross-platform compatibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking cloud storage always requires monthly fees, but the surprising truth is that Syncthing is completely free and open source. There are no subscription costs, hidden fees, or data limits. You won't believe the value when you realize your files are synchronized directly between devices without ever going through a third-party server. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the security benefits. Syncthing encrypts all traffic and ensures your data remains private, even over the internet. The platform works on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and more, making it highly versatile for personal or small business use. While it's free, donations are encouraged to support development, which is completely optional but helps maintain and improve the platform. In conclusion, Syncthing pricing is free, but the value lies in its security, privacy, and ease of use. By setting up peer-to-peer synchronization across your devices, you get a cost-free, private, and flexible file syncing solution. Syncthing is more than a syncing tool, it's a secure and reliable alternative to traditional cloud storage.